Find an equation for the ellipse described. Graph the equation. Here we are given the center at -2, 4. So that's this point. 1, 2, -2, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, this place. Center. Focus at -8, 4. So that's this point. -8, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Focus contains the point -10, 4. That's the point right here. We know the distance between the center and the focus is the value c. So what's the distance between the red point and the black point? -2, from -2 to -8. So we have a unit 6, which is -2 minus -8 right here. We get 6. So c has value 6. Since this point -10, 4 is contained on the curve, means is the curve or the ellipse passes through this point. So this is going to be the vertex. Since the center and the focus is in this direction, then this point certainly would be the vertex. Then we know vertex is -10, 4. The distance between the center and the vertex will be the a value. So that will be -2 minus -10. Value horizontal x-axis -2 minus -10, which is +8. That's a. In ellipse, we always have a squared equals b squared plus c squared. So 8 squared equals b squared plus c, which is 6 squared. Both sides subtract 36. You see a squared is 64. C squared is 36. Both sides subtract 36. On the right-hand side, you have a b squared alone. Left-hand side is 64 subtract 36. We got 28. So that's b squared. You may choose the radical 28 to get b. That is not necessary. Here I need to make some corrections. Right down here. So I should erase this one. Okay, is already b squared is 28. And a squared, a is 8, so 8 squared, and then here will be 28, which is b squared already. Of course, a squared should be below x-axis because the major axis is in horizontal direction. Horizontal is x-axis. And then b is below y variable. Why here we need to subtract -2 and here subtract 4 is because center is given right here. -2, 4. So we always use x minus, here x value is -2. So x minus -2, we shall have x plus 2 and y minus 4. So it should be in this way. This would be our equation. So we have found our equation. Okay. Then you may graph the picture. And here, if you want to use decimal, now you may input the equation here. That would be x plus 2 squared divided by 64, which is 8 squared, and then plus y minus 4 squared divided by 28, which is 1. So that would be our picture. You can see here the graph passes through this point. That's negative term 4, and here is the center. Okay, so we have both equation and the graph. All right, I'll see you next time.